Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in diamond black crystal pearl with halogen quad headlamps, premium fog lamps, 18-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, PARKSENSE rear park assist with stop, power liftgate, a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5496.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.